Welcome to Wind Street in Swansea town centre, where there's pain and pleasure in equal measure. No time for thinking, just serious drinking, chips and beer, glitter and smear. Is that sick on your feet? You're out on the town in Swansea's Wind Street, guzzling by instinct in the pedestrian precinct, having a waz outside the braz. It's fun in the sun and the snow and the sleet. It's deep truth or dare, so you better take care. Don't be downbeat, you're among the elite of Swansea's Wind Street. We think we're so clever, it's all now or never, so we knock ourselves out. Tattoos full of doubt. We enjoy our encounters with 20-stone bouncers. Alcohol breath says I love you to death. It's true, it's tragic, but it's our kind of magic. If you can't stand the heat, we better not meet in the shine and the grime of Swansea's Wind Street. Nothing changes from week to week, so if you think you can handle the tongue and the cheek, if your spirit is strong but your flesh a bit weak, meet me there if you dare and I'll save you a seat among the rough and the diamonds of Swansea's Wind Street.